Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your monthly reading. So for the month of October 2020. So let's see what is there for you for the coming month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. You may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Cancerians for the month of October 2020, please. Let's see. So I'll be doing your past, present and future readings over here. Okay, and be looking at your past, future and present. Past, present and future, sorry. So it will be a little different from my other reads. Okay, let's see now. It will be a little detailed. Okay. Okay, so there was a new relationship I'm seeing over here. It was a start of a new relationship, a new situation, okay, which was really deep. So you have got the Ace of Pentacles and King of Cups, Four of Swords and Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords and the Queen of Cups. So over here, see, we have both the King and Queen of the same suit over here. So it is Queen of Cups and the King of Cups, a very beautiful couple over here, very emotional, loving couple, Scorpio and a Cancer. So you actually, there was something new. It was really stable. It looked stable though, but it was always like a relationship which was very beautiful from outside, but what is actually happening from inside, nobody knew. Okay, so it was more about that social media kind of a relationship where everyone looks so happy from outside, but from inside it is really tough to see. So a lot of I'm seeing that there was restrictions over here, because I'm actually got the Eight of Swords and the Nine of Swords. Okay, so it was like a very restricted kind of a relationship. Whatever this thing is, a lot of restrictions were there, and somebody actually couldn't do anything because the hands were tied. That sleepless nights, and when you actually feel that why the night is coming even, so that kind of a foundation over here. This is that feeling. And when your dreams are also really not helping, your dreams are also like all the day you are going through this trauma, and it is like your dreams are also more traumatic. So that is what I'm getting over here. Okay, let's see your present energies. So, but it looked really beautiful from outside. Yeah, things were really fine, because a lot of this was a feeling of whether this person loves me or not, you could never imagine, you could never tell by looking at this person. So but the intuition was there. I'm seeing the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. It's like more very intuitional energies. These both people, King of Cups and the Queen of Cups, they are very intuitive, but it's just up to you whether you hear your intuition or not. But the intuitions were really strong, and it was like that it is going to end. Let's see what are the present energies. Same again, fights are there, conflicts are there, but this time it's more about somebody has actually understood what the other person is like doing to this person. If you are in the situation where you were the one who was restricted, who was feeling that kind of jail kind of a feeling, so you have actually understood that this is not a place where I would like to stay. So I'm seeing that, there's somebody over here. Okay, so the cards are Wheel of Fortune and the 5 of Wands, 7 of Swords and the Moon, Queen of Rods and the 6 of Pentacles. So yes, so finally somebody over here understood that this person is really sneaking out. This person is really about, intentions are really different. What the face is, you are actually, I'm seeing that you got to know, or whosoever this person is, I'm really getting that you were the one who actually, because it's your energy over here, Cancer, Queen of Cups. So I'm seeing that, you actually found the inner, the hidden truths, the hidden intentions of the other person. Might be dealing with a Leo over here or a Pisces, and it is like, wow, this is so different. But you are really strong enough that you got to know, at least you got to know the real intentions of the person with whom you are dealing with. Let's see the future energies over here. Because the wheel actually turned in your favor. The universe actually is there to help you, and universe told you that, see the exact truth of the person you are dealing with. Okay, wow. So Strength and the 4 of Cups, 3 of Wands and the King of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. So in the future, I'm seeing that it is, this thing with this person is like ending, whatever this thing was, because this was really mean. You were dealing with a very mean person who was really very beautiful, very good, very sweet talker from outside, because I'm not getting good vibes from the King of Cups today. Although he is very good, he has a lot to offer, he loves to love someone. So, but it is like, the hidden agendas are actually coming up over here, actually. So this person was really mean and really hidden. They have a lot of hidden motives, and you actually saw these motives. So in the present, I'm seeing, in your future, I'm seeing you are actually you are growing through what you are going through. So okay, so that is what I'm seeing. You are not going to accept anything, like though the things which are not good for you, you're not going to accept it. No, it's not your energy. You are really more into your self-love. You are more into your inner strength. You are developing yourself, because as the Queen of Cups, she is very emotional. She loves to cry, but you are not a crybaby anymore in your future. Okay, you are becoming a very strengthening person who actually is gaining strength, and who is actually going to give the strength to other people as well. You are becoming an inspiration over here. I'm also seeing that there is something you are looking towards. You are focusing on something else now. Your focus has changed. Your focus has changed towards something more stable. Might be money, okay, your career. This is something that, and the person whom you are going to attract will also be a very different person. I'm not seeing the past coming back in your life, no, but they would try. Okay, there is a thing. If this is because I'm getting that you might be married to this person of yours in your future, in your past, but there will be a conversation, but not a very that lovey-dovey situation. No, there will be some communication, but it will be just little chit chats and that thing. No, nothing more serious. Because you're serious, your attitude has changed. You are moving towards something else. Your goals has changed now. Yeah. So let's see what is the advice from the universe regarding this situation of yours. Wow. So the advice from the universe: the Devil, the Tower, and the Empress. See the major arcana. So this is the major process of your life right now from which you are going through. So I'm seeing that this temporary relationship, which was actually nothing more than an attraction, or just, you know, physically attracted or something, this was just that attraction, and you are not going towards it, you are ending. And that is the advice from the universe as well. You have to end these things, these kind of temporary things in your life. You have to end it, okay? Because there's something else which is coming towards you, a growth which is really going to sustain in your life, okay? A very beautiful growth of yours. You are becoming a woman, a man. Basically, this is not about the genitalia over here. This is somebody, see, the empress is like, you know, who grows everyone around her, okay? So that is why, because the strength card was also here, so you are strengthening as well as you are making people, you know, you are a motivation, you are becoming inspiration for other people as well. So this was a really beautiful reading, Cancerians, and I hope it helps. So that is all from my side, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.